Are you a federal or postal employee trying to make sense of your benefits? Well, if so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how you can maximize your federal benefits to save money, protect your family, and set yourself up for a secure retirement. So stick around because these tips could make a huge difference for you and your loved ones. We really enjoy producing these videos, and if you enjoy them as much as we enjoy making them, would you do us the favor and click the subscribe button? Also, clicking the like will help the metrics, and clicking the chime will notify you of our new posts on Saturdays. Also, if you are a government employee, we have produced a handbook that will explain all government benefits to you. We've been doing this for many years and it's available to you free. Just simply contact us. Again, I thank you very much for watching this video. Designed to support your health, finances, and future. But here's the thing, many employees don't take full advantage of what's available. That's why we're here to help break it down for you today. Health insurance, the FEHB program. First up, let's talk about Federal Employee Health Benefit Program. Did you know that it's one of the best health insurance programs out there? Yeah, I get it. Last year had a big increase, and the year before, yeah, it had a big one also. But did you know that your friends and neighbors who are not government employees are either out in the common marketplace fending for themselves or they're paying more? With the government covering a significant portion of your premiums, you're already saving money. Here's the kicker. Many employees stick with the same plan year after year after year after year without reviewing their options. Yeah, it's complicated, I know, and it's only available during open season. And I even heard a federal employee say, well, I've been busy, that's why I haven't had a chance to look. But look, you only get to make a choice once a year. So take a moment to compare plans. How busy can it get? You might find a better deal or coverage that fits your current needs. And remember, your FEHB coverage is portable into retirement if you meet the eligibility criteria. Now that's a major perk. How about retirement savings, the FERS and the TSP? Let's talk about retirement. We all plan to retire. The Federal Employees Retirement System, or FERS, is a game changer. It's absolutely a three-part plan that includes a pension, Social Security benefits, and the Thrift Savings Plan, better known as TSP. I think we know that. Now, here's an important tip. Take full advantage of the TSP matching contributions. It's essentially free money. Who doesn't like that? Your agency, as a matter of fact, matches up to 5%. And make sure you're contributing at least that much. And also increasing your savings percentage each year. Even a small bump can make a huge difference over time. And don't forget about Social Security. Your FERS retirement benefits are designed to work hand in hand with Social Security. They create a balanced retirement plan that can support you for many, many years. Here's another one that we often overlook. It's FIGLY. Now, I'm not necessarily a big fan of FIGLY after the age 40, but you cannot deny the benefits. So let's move on here. The Federal Employee Group Life Insurance Program, or FIGLY, is one of the simplest ways to protect your family's financial future. FIGLY offers basic coverage that's automatically available to most employees, but you can also opt for additional coverage if needed. That's only during life-changing events. The premiums are often affordable in earlier years and conveniently deducted from your paycheck. Plus, adjusting your coverage is easy, only in the downward direction. Just make sure you review it, especially when you've had a major life change like a new baby, a marriage, or a divorce. Annual sick leave and vacation time. Let's talk about a benefit that you might not even think of it as a financial benefit. It's your leave. Both the annual leave and sick leave have a hidden value. Unused annual leave can often be cashed out when you retire. That means banking your hours isn't just about taking vacation, it's about building a financial cushion for your retirement. Sick leave, on the other hand, can add extra service credit towards your pension. Yeah, if you're not sick, add it to your retirement. So while you're there, you can, and if you're actually healthy, you can save up and it will be paying off big time in the long run. Supplemental insurance options. Now, in addition to the core benefits, don't overlook some of these supplemental things, and they often fill in the gaps and provide extra security for you and your family. If you have the federal government's long-term care program, that is a major benefit. It's no longer offered, but do not cancel it. Keep it. It isn't included in most health plans. We provide short-term disability coverage, and that is a game changer. Short-term disability insurance coverage provides income when you're temporarily unable to work, and critical illness plans also offer lump sum payments for major diagnoses like cancer and heart disease. You know, if you're unsure about which option is right for you, the Benefit Coordinators is here to help. We specialize in guiding federal and postal employees through these decisions, ensuring you have the coverage you need without overpaying. An important part on the upcoming open season, I know there's always one that left and one that's coming, but open season is truly your chance to review and adjust your benefits. Just don't let it pass you by. That is the perfect time to compare health plans and maybe even consider adjusting TSP, although you can do that whenever you want. Taking a proactive approach during open season can save you money and ensure your benefits align with your current needs. You know, your federal benefits are a powerful tool to protecting your health, securing your finances, and planning your future. But they're only as good as the effort that you put into sorry, I probably shouldn't have pointed, but I'll gesture, right? Into you understanding and optimizing them. At the Benefit Coordinators, we're here to help you understand, protect, and maximize those benefits, the ones that you've earned and deserve. If you're ready to get started, take the next step and see how federal benefits counseling can make a difference in your life. I thank you for watching, and remember, with the right guidance, you can take control of your benefits and your future.